Hello. Today, we will go over the best moves to play in the King's Knight opening. Please make sure to like if you learned something new and subscribe for more chess insights. It is one of the most common openings you will find in chess.com's low ELO. It starts with pawn to e4, followed by opponent playing pawn to e5, and we play knight to f3, and we have the King's Knight's opening. Although the opponent has a seemingly infinite possibility of moves to play next, I will go over the most played move. Knight to f6 is a very common approach that many low ELO players like to take, threatening to take your pawn. In this scenario, it's take the pawn on e5. There are two plays low ELO players like to play, pawn to d6 or taking our pawn. Let's look at taking the pawn first on. After taking the pawn, we take on f7, threatening to win material. Many players will choose to take the knight on f7, alleviating this threat. This move dislocates the king from a safe position and also stops black from castling. We next play queen to h5, giving a check to the king. Quickly going through all scenarios of where the king goes, we still win material in this situation or get a checkmate. Only downside to this move is that you may force a queen trade early through a pin, which stops your momentum against the black king. Now, if we go back to the original move, which started this whole line, we can see that knight f7 is a losing move, and this is due to a terrifying counterattack that can be played by black in this scenario. Make the silent move queen to e7, allowing your opponent to take your rook. And after that knight to c3, and with only two responses to this move, we win white's queen. Now of course this line will most certainly be harder for a beginner player to see, unless you watch this video. Thanks for watching so far, by the way, and that's why this line by white is so abusable. In my time in low ELO, I've never seen my opponent play this line by black, but that's all for this short chess lesson. If you learned something, make sure to drop a like and subscribe.